More challenging than I was expecting.
It's actually just the beginning.
Hi guys, so this is where it starts. This is where my today's adventure starts, and this is where my YouTube adventure starts too. I just missed the exit. I don't know if you've noticed there are Ukrainian flags, Ukrainian flag colors hanged around the church, which I think is very kind. And here it is, our famous, the Old Nag's Head. I cannot say no. Such a lovely place. Thank you very much. But just across the road is where our journey actually starts. P9 Way. An open gate, that's a good sign. That's the first one. When I got off of the train, it was raining a bit, so I put my waterproofs on. It seems, it's a bit chilly. I don't think it's gonna rain. Sky looks good. I might do fast decision on this trip to change my clothing. It's getting colder. I just took my waterproof off. I think it's gonna rain. Not sure if it's rain. It's like a frozen, feels like little droplets of ice. Just in case, I think it's safer to put my waterproof on. That's a cycling waterproof, and it's visible from the moon. I just don't want my jacket to get damp. Cool. Once it gets damp, it loses its powers. Backpack. Gonna be interesting evening. Yuck. There's a bit of scramble on this side, but views are amazing. This is where we came from, Adale. Where we're heading again, and that's our path. Okay, let's do it. There's no time. they said. It'll be easy, they said. Guys, this must be it. Finally. I would say we are in 3/4 of our trip. Here's a bit of scramble. Up there in the middle there is waterfall and it's raining, so hopefully there's some water. I took a bottle of water just in case with me, which is not ideal because it's quite heavy. But as I can see, and here there is water in the waterfalls. I'm gonna go up there and then we need to keep going. Okay, let's go. That's a drop. Don't do it. Destination doesn't seem any closer. Let's go. Well, nothing went as planned.
Hi, I made it. Already in a tent. Got few layers on. It was a bit more challenging than I was expecting. It is windy. It was crazy windy when I tried to pitch my tent. It started to rain. Not the best conditions for camping. However, I'm hoping to see no rain in the morning. I am not expecting any spectacular sunrise. I'm just hoping there will be no rain because I'm freezing. Okay. I was about to say good morning, but it's still 10:22 at night. The tent is getting hammered. I'm trying to keep it with my hands and my head, but I think you'll be fine. I tried to sleep for a while, but I think I might try my earplugs. See you in the morning. Good morning. What a night. What a night. It was really challenging. To be honest, I'm really surprised that Helm Compact One did really a good job. There was no issues at all. I went to check guy ropes once and it was just great. It was just great. Now it's 6:30. Sunrise is at 6:50. I'm gonna pack up. I can honestly say that how my gear is wet, at least the clothes I was wearing yesterday. Now let's see what does they have to offer. Oh, that's not a bad view at all. All packed up, and remember, as always, leave no trace. I've got 3 hours to catch a train. I keep Gabera moving. Well done to me. Bye.
So here we are in a penny spot, enjoying my tea. I need to admit that this trip was really challenging, but I made it, and I'm really proud of myself. Thank you very much for joining me on this trip. Please like, subscribe, see you next time.